Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to replace the cartridge in a dual lever mixer tap. That's the type of tap where you have one lever for hot and one for cold, but both mix into a single spout. Let's dive right in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that bell for more practical home repair tips. Step 1. Tools and materials. New replacement cartridge. Allen key set usually to 0.5 mm to 5 mm. Adjustable wrench or spanner. Flathead screwdriver. Step 2. Turn off water supply. Look for isolation valves under your sink. Use a flathead screwdriver to turn them 90 degrees to the OFF position. If you don't have them, you'll need to turn off the water at the main stopcock. Now turn on both tap levers to release any remaining water in the pipes. Step 3. Remove the tap handle. Point 1. Use a flathead screwdriver or your fingernail to gently pop off the indicator cap, usually red, blue. 2. Underneath, you'll see a small Allen screw. 3. Use the correct sized Allen key to loosen and remove it. 4. Carefully lift off the handle. If the handle is stuck, gently rock it back and forth. Don't force it or you might crack the tap body. Step 4. Remove the cartridge. Use a wrench to loosen the retaining nut or collar. Carefully lift out the old ceramic cartridge. Take a close look at the cartridge. Some have 2 or 3 holes, some have teeth or grooves. Make sure your replacement matches exactly. Step 5. Install the new cartridge. Refit the retaining nut or collar and tighten gently but firmly. Apply a dab of silicone grease to moving parts for smoother operation. Don't over-tighten the nut. This could crack the cartridge or tap body. Step 6. Reassemble tap. Slide the handle back onto the spindle. Reinsert and tighten the Allen screw. Snap the hot-cold cap back into place. Step 7. Turn on water and test. Open both levers and test for smooth handle movement, no leaks around the base, proper hot and cold mixing. And that's it. You've just replaced a dual lever mixer tap cartridge, no plumber needed. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more DIY fixes. Drop a comment if you ran into any snags. I reply to as many as I can. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.